Welcome to ProgrammingDoor. In this video, we are going to talk about On Delete Cascade option. So it is a constraint. But before understanding this, let's understand what it is and why we use it. So we have foreign key, we have primary key, we have foreign key. Primary key we can call it as parent, and foreign key we can call it as a child. Okay. Now let's suppose if you want the rows of this child table to be deleted when the corresponding rows in the parent table are deleted, then we use the on delete cascade option. Okay. Now if you do not specify on delete cascade option, the database server prevents you from deleting data in a table if other tables reference it. So if you specify this option later, when you delete a row in the parent table, means the table where we have primary key, the Oracle database server also deletes any rows associated with that row, that foreign key, in a child table. Now let's see one example quickly. I have two tables, category and book. Okay, so here in book I have the primary key book, and in category I have the primary key category ID. Now I am going to reference this category ID from book table as a foreign key. Okay, and I am writing on delete cascade. So this is how we should declare it. Okay, let me just run it and see if it is created or not. So we can see name is already existing in object. So let's delete. Sorry, drop this one. Drop table. Okay, now let's create it. We will create book also. These are created. Okay, now if I insert a data into this table and into this table as well, then what will happen after inserting? If I want to delete a data from this table, the book, this is a child table, it will not allow me to delete. Why? Because it is a reference with the primary key. And if I will delete the data from parent key, since I have used on delete cascade, it means it will delete the data from book also. Okay. Now let's see the unique key constraint as well in the same video. So unique key constraint is used to enforce domain integrity by ensuring that a particular column, even if it is not a primary key, is allowed to have a unique value. Okay. Now we are talking here. I already have a table called member, right? Let me just copy paste it here. Here, member ID I have a primary key. Member name I have varchar. Member address is varchar. Phone number is numbers. But phone number can be duplicate also, right? For example, if I will insert a data called ProgrammingDoor 1, then ProgrammingDoor 2, and I can give here the same phone numbers, but I don't want duplicate records. So what I will do is I will use unique key. This is a keyword, and I can use it for storing a unique value. Okay, we will see some examples later. Now, next is not null constraint. A null value can be inserted into columns of any data type in case the value of column is not specified. But if you specify a not null constraint on any column, it means it will not allow you to insert null value for that column. It has to be have some value. So in the same example, same table, if I can mention here not null. So it means if I will try to insert null value for member name, it will not allow me because I have given the not null constant. Okay, and not null. And what else I can do is here is, so it is possible that even if it is not null, users can, like anyone can insert duplicate values. So what I can do is not null unique. I can use like this. So it will ensure it has to have some value and it has to be a unique value. This is how we can restrict. Now, the last constraint that we have is check constraint. You remember in one of our example, I have added check constraint here in foreign key. So here what I was doing is I was making sure to check in this column we should have either I or R. Okay, so basically check what does is it allows restricted values to be stored in a column only after it satisfies a boolean expression. So if so if I'm checking here I, it means if user is inserting I, it will satisfy the boolean value will be true. And here if I will insert R, again the boolean value will be true. If I will try to insert S or any other alphabet which is not specified here, it will not be true value, it will be false, so it will not allow me to insert the data. Okay, let me do here only. So what we can do here is constraint member check. I'm going to check the length of member phone number here also. Okay, I am going to check the length of phone number is equals to a, or length is length of phone number is equals to 10. So it means the value of this phone number should be either 8 or 10, or I can give like that any other expression greater than or less than, something like that. And one more thing we can do here is, similarly we can check the salary and all if we have a salary table, something like that. Okay, okay, so that's it for this video. Let's meet in the next video. Till that, bye bye, thank you. Please like, subscribe, share and comment. Thanks a lot.